Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking. I'm here with Benny Boy. As always,
we're going to answer your questions, your comments, your feedback on any of our recipes, mailbag, and we're also going to have this.
We got a little garlic toast with grated tomato and serrano ham, Ben.
It's like a little tapas.
It's a little glory.
Oh, this is delicious.
How good is that?
I'm going to be honest with you. I did not expect much from this. And it's way better than I expected.
That's a winner.
That's fantastic.
I too was not expecting that to be something that while I'm eating it, looking forward to the next bite.
Yeah, it's delicious. I feel like the tomato with the ham makes it very Spanish.
It is.
And I am a fan.
I know. Spanish food.
Some of the best.
I mean, it really is.
The ham selection in Spain, it's second to none.
Off the charts.
But I think they did a very good job with the tomato, the diced tomato. I wasn't sure about it. When you made it, it kind of looked like a melted popsicle.
Yeah.
Or like a really thin strawberry jam.
Yeah, kind of looked like blended watermelon.
Yeah. yeah, exactly.
You saw the liquid, you go, I'm not sure.
Yeah, you're like, okay, I don't know if I want to drink that, but I want to eat it. It's fantastic. Very well done. Where have you traveled that has the best food?
So I've only been to Italy once, and I've had some great meals in the one time I've been there, but I haven't been there enough to really...
Fair enough. Like, you can't really call it the place.
Yeah, and while I love New York food, I have had some absolutely incredible meals in Mexico.
Yeah.
Traditional Mexican food is so different than what we have here, and it is so many beautiful flavors, seafood and ceviches, different meats and steaks and all of that kind of stuff. I'm gonna go with Mexico. How about you? You've done more traveling than I have.
Yeah, I think nominees are Guatemala, San Sebastian, Spain is up there, Sevilla, Spain is up there. I've had some great meals in Italy and Positano, but the winner's Dayton, Ohio, probably.
And this is why the crowd doesn't like you. Because you had it going, and then you were like, Dayton, Ohio.
And what's weird is it's the same dishes you had in Mexico. It's like ceviches and like really good like Mexican stews.
But they're running from ice.
Right, exactly.
Which actually makes it even better.
Yeah, you can taste the fear.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
No, San Sebastian, Spain is.
I had a feeling you were gonna say Spain.
Yeah, it's got the best. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like,
What is it? I know, because like I've been to a lot of really nice Spanish restaurants in New York, and there's some really nice ones or whatever. Obviously, that doesn't compare to being there.
I'm sure it does.
First of all, I love the portions of European food.
Yeah.
I also love just all the different jamons.
Yeah.
And everything is so flavorful.
Like, it's weird. My favorite Spanish meal is huevos rotos, which sounds fancy because it's just Spanish, but it's broken egg. It's poutine without gravy. It's actually lazy poutine.
Yeah.
It is French fries, over easy eggs, and then they either put like jamon iberico, jamon serrano, or bacon, and it tastes like a gourmet meal.
Yeah.
And it's something that you could probably buy at like a football game if you really wanted to. It's it's delicious.
Actually, that's a good question. What is the food options like at soccer game, football? Football.
Let's call it soccer.
What are we working with?
Not a lot.
Really?
There's not a lot, especially, for two reasons. One, international games, you can't consume alcohol in the state in view of the field.
Great.
So if you're gonna go out and get like a drink or some food, you have to
go to the
stay
parking
there.
lot?
You have to stay in the concourse.
Uh-huh.
The second thing is there's no stoppages. There's only halftime. So if you really want to go get some food, you could miss the one goal in 90 minutes. That's why Spain is so much fun to watch games, and you can bring your own food.
That I like.
So you bring your own food. You can even buy like little kits basically on the way. They give you like a bocadillo, which is just like a really simple sandwich. It's just like kind of like what you make, where it's just like a loaf of, it's like a hoagie roll.
Yeah.
Like a hero roll with like a little bit of ham.
How mortified were they when you said, "Hey, you got a hoagie?"
Yeah.
And they were like,
exactly. But it's so funny. Like in Spain, you watch the game.
Hoagie.
And then
Spain.
It's what it is.
Hey, you got any grinders? No, from Dayton, Ohio.
But at halftime, you hear the entire stadium opening up their little sandwiches, and they have their sandwiches at halftime. They walk around, stand up, talk to their neighbors.
With
and
all
watch
of those
the game.
people, you hear them unwrapping their...
It's weird. 50,000 people unwrapping sandwiches at the same time. You can audibly hear it.
All right, that's
whistle blows, everyone
like
goes
that.
shh.
I kind of like that.
Yeah, no, it's great. But then, you know, in England, they'll have like burgers or meat pies you can get, but it's really not much.
Really?
Yeah. Well, even LAFC out here, it's really simple. Like, it's usually just like Trejo's Tacos.
See, that's
some
what's
nachos.
that's again. This is what has happened with American sports. Is it's a hang.
Yeah.
So now they got 55 different variations. To me, it all tastes the same. But to be honest with you, it's like ballpark food is ballpark food.
Yeah.
Even if they get like new and good, it's like it is what it is.
Right.
But wow, that's really interesting though.
Yeah.
That's
But
not
now
like
in Mexico, it's like a baseball game. There's vendors everywhere. I mean, as far as you can tell, and they're all, they're all like, you know, private vendors. So they're just hawking food like crazy.
telling you, I'm headed down to the border going, I want to come back.
Yes.
And they're like, what?
Yeah.
No, I want to come back.
Oh, if you and I went to a Tijuana game,
Yes.
dude, it is electric, and you're gonna
I
eat
know.
your weight in chips.
Dude, I'm telling you, my hat is off to the Mexican
Yeah.
culture. I've had some beautiful meals,
It's fantastic.
and I don't know, it's really pretty amazing. Where would you want? Like, I know you're not a big food. Japan.
Which we talked about.
That's the top of my list.
It's the top of everyone's list.
I don't know if I'm ever wanting to. Like, if I go there, I don't think I'm gonna come back.
No. I just want to ski and eat noodles like you know.
Dude, it's got it all for us.
got
Baseball,
everything.
skiing, sushi.
Yeah.
The culture, clean,
Yeah.
respectful, neat.
Amazing.
Why am I doing this?
I don't know. It's I like it though.
I did a little. It was a little.
Anything else?
What a great little episode.
I think so too. Hey, if you want to see more, ask questions, leave comments, give us some feedback, negative or positive. We make it fun. How you doing?